Title: How to pair Beltone TV Streamer Plus with Beltone HearMax app. Logo: Beltone. A plugged Beltone TV Streamer Plus sits next to a cell phone with the HearMax app open to the all-around page. A finger taps the icon at the bottom of the page marked More and the screen moves to the More page. The finger taps the first option to pair new wireless accessory, under the heading Setup. The next screen shows the option to pair the TV streamer and the finger taps that selection. The screen's next instruction is to check the connection in the back of the device, marked with the antenna icon. Two hands pick up the device and point to the left side button and a circle appears. The button is pressed, and the front of the device is shown with the center green light blinking, while a circle forms around the light. The device is then set down and a finger taps the search button at the bottom of the phone screen. The app shows it's searching for a wireless accessory. The display gives the option to pair with the TV Streamer Plus with a box at the bottom labeled OK. The finger hits the OK button, and a loading icon circles around to pair the accessory with the hearing aids. A pop-up request for Bluetooth pairing appears with the choices to cancel or pair. A finger taps the pair option, and a brief display shows its processing. The screen then shows a graphic of the TV streamer with a green circle around it and a message saying "Well done." There's a box at the bottom that is labeled OK, and a finger taps it. The app then displays the home all-around page, and after a few seconds, the TV Streamer Plus accessory button appears at the bottom of the home page. Logo: Beltone. Text: Download on the App Store. Get it on Google Play. Copyright 2023 GN Hearing AS. All rights reserved. Beltone is a trademark of GN Hearing AS. Apple: The Apple logo, and iPhone are trademarks of Apple Incorporated, registered in the U.S. and other countries. App Store is a service mark of Apple Incorporated, registered in the U.S. and other countries. Google Play and the Google Play logo are trademarks of Google LLC.